Welcome everybody to another Sit by Stream. Today I want to continue my work on my AI project. If we can figure out how to do servers and stuff. It's a very frustrating process, but you know, with you guys here, it makes it all worth it. Just gonna put on some tracks. Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. I hope I haven't changed this too much. Is it 192? So like this. Hey, new BS4, well, how's it going? Speaking of which, gotta connect those. Welcome to the stream. Just doing some software engineering, showing off the skills that pay the bills. Me, you know, just hanging out on a Sunday, just working on a personal project, you know. Honestly, I feel like tired, and I just want to sleep on Sunday, but, you know, this project will never get done if I sleep all day. So this is what I do for a living. Well, not for a living, but you know, I figure out tech and figure out how it's done. Yeah, all that good stuff. So at the moment, I'm running trying to run this thing, but it's not working. trying to run this thing, but it's not working for me. I'm trying to port stuff. Okay. How is it not correct? How do I even do this? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how all of this stuff is done. But it's not that easy. I've never used this particular tech before. That sucks. Man. Alright. See, the problem is that I'm wanting this. This is what we call an IDE, which is an integrated developer environment. So it's basically like a fancier version of Word, except instead you type in code and then it does a whole bunch of like program stuff, but eventually it will send instructions to your computer to do things. Right now it's just not talking to the computer, or rather it's not talking to this thing. And this thing is a very simplified version. It's of a server, so this program here lets you run a server on your computer, and then this thing allows you to write code to put on that server. Now, I'm trying to develop an AI that runs in this server. The end goal is that I want it to I want to train my AI to analyze fighting styles. So, for example, right, once a month I go down to Sydney and I basically record VODs for Super Smash. So I'll show you a few VODs that I've recorded. So let's do one where I'm not doing terribly badly. Yeah, so this is like a match, you know. You kind of you record a video, and then you know you have like matches. So you know you kind of record matches like this, and then so I have a bunch of these match videos, right? I want to create a AI that will basically watch these videos and analyze the fighting styles. So for a very simplistic standpoint, I want the AI to recognize like really long like combo strings. And then I want it to like highlight those combo strings. So basically it like saves my workflow to create like highlight videos. Yeah, and so I could put out like more like more polished YouTube content, you know. So if I could get an AI to do that workflow for me and recognize really fresh kind of combos, it would save a lot of time, because then I would just run like videos through a program, and then the program would tell me, oh, you know, we found like a 10-hit combo in this video, and so you know it's from here to here, go watch it. And so that would like save a lot of time. Instead of me doing it manually, I would just watch every video instead and then try to find like a really fresh combo. So instead of doing all of that manually, I want to develop an AI that does that for me. So that's the grand plan. The bigger plan is I train this AI enough to recognize combo strings, right? And then add them to a database, and then I can start mapping certain combos to certain players. So then I can start setting up like profiles of like players and their decision trees and, you know, their go-to combos. So like the AI would then be able to say, oh, this is this player playing because we see a lot of this combo coming out, or we see a lot of this player playing because, you know, so then this AI would be trained to like figure out, you know, play styles. And then if we get really good, we could start, the AI could start, you know, suggesting counterplay for these players, you know. So instead of like, you know, doing it manually and training up, you could like just basically listen to the AI. The AI says, hey, you're versing this kind of character, you know, this kind of player. This player will most likely pick this character, and then with that character, you gotta watch out for these combo strings. And this is how you would counter those combo strings if they do them. So that's the big plan, but at the moment I'm just having like really specific like technology issues. Like, so I'm not even at the stage where I'm developing new stuff, right? Like a big part of, so we'll just get rid of that. So a big part of like getting it is just getting it set up, right? So you gotta like find what technologies you're gonna use. You gotta like figure out how it works, and then try to get them to talk to each other. Now I'm still at that stage of figuring stuff out. Like, that's the problem with tech. Like, there's a whole bunch of new stuff, right? So you gotta figure out what. I've already picked what technologies I'm gonna use, but it's just figuring out how do I get started. That's the thing. So the program is called TensorFlow. So if you don't know what TensorFlow is, I'll just type it in chat for you. All right, so that's what it is. TensorFlow. Now, what is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is actually the Google. It's actually Google, the AI that Google uses in its visual recognition kind of software. So you know how you can, in Google, you can give it an image and then it'll tell you what it is. That's what TensorFlow is. TensorFlow is an AI that can read like data, and then somehow you can train the AI to recognize data as particular things. So Google uses it in video intelligence, probably Google Images if you're searching for stuff like this image, or you know how it has that section that says, oh, you searched up this image, these are similar images. Or if you just plain want to search images for like something like a beach or an apple, you know, Google Images, then the AI kind of does that work for you. So it's alright. Google uses it, and Google like released it for the open source, so it's now free to use. However, it's just getting started. That's kind of like hard. So yeah, that's where I am. So I can see that my server is using these books. Right, I just yeah. So I'm just trying to find a good IDE TensorFlow Python Docker. Start CPU only container, start GPU container. Alright, cool. No problem, no beers. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Like, I live away from home, so I can't really say Happy Father's Day, but I hope you have like really cool stuff. I hope you really do really cool stuff for your dad, so yeah, see you next time. I'll be here. See you, dude. Oh, by the way, like, I have, I added a lot of sound effects to the channel, so you can build sound effects. So, you know, like this.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here.
So, you know, like, I managed to add all that stuff. I encourage you to use them when you're here next. Yep, I'll see you later, no beers. Good to see you. Yeah, so come and mess around with the sound effects next time you're on. Does it work? Why doesn't it work? It's a little buggy. I have to basically fix it. See ya. I mean, everyone can do it. Anyway. See ya.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here.
Oh, I love that thing. Love that thing. Love the soundboard. Come on.
Boom! Headshot!
Oh yeah, it's not a headshot.
Boom! Headshot.
Oh man.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Browser. I don't know how to import the TensorFlow library from the PyCharm IDE. Docker terminal, since you're using Docker, but mentions PyCharm running on Linux and Docker. I'm also adding PyCharm tags. There's no way to make it work. It tensorflows the wild PyCharm message. It has no access to Docker. There's a Docker as well, but I'm sure it's viable. You can run PyCharm on your Windows machine and configure a remote interpreter to mount your Python code to the Docker image, in which your libraries reside there described here. Okay. Might be interesting as well. Deep learning environment. Oh, okay. TensorFlow, Docker, PyCharm, TensorBoard. Alright, on your local machine, first thing you do is NVIDIA Docker. Docker is really cool, use it for... Is NVIDIA Docker able to be installed in NVIDIA Docker? Can I get NVIDIA Docker Windows? Yeah, deep learning. Slurm. Let's see. Okay. On a remote machine. Coding environment doesn't let you use options. Okay. Okay, how do I do quick start? The video doc is described below. Okay. Building from sources. Alright, we'll try this. NVIDIA Docker run. I wonder. NVIDIA Docker not found. Ubuntu distributions. Sudo probably doesn't work because I'm not running Linux. TensorFlow and Fujifilm, when you just need to match the requirements here for CUDA. Pip install TensorFlow GPU to install Windows. TensorFlow website. Okay, guess we'll have to try installing that crap again. Pip install TensorFlow when produced. Pip install TensorFlow GPU. Okay. Python. Or maybe CD home. $sign home? How do I go? Windows, CD, alias, path, home. It's percentages, that's what I thought. CD. Windows. User profile. I see. CD. I need to clean out my thing, so Windows that probably. Wonder what's taking up so much space. Maybe it's because of all this stuff. Well, that's Cloud P. Videos maybe. Nah, clean that stuff out. Maybe all of this, actually. Huh. Guess I could get rid of the GoPro stuff. Oh, that's like so many gigabytes right there. Yep. Run. Yep. Accept. Next. F. Probably could clean out the recycling bin as well. Just need to free up space on this place. What is the recycling bin? Empty. Okay, it's all done. We'll let that go. Need to get this working, so Python 3.61 Anaconda. Alright, so we got Anaconda. Back to square one. I need to do this because I want to install the TensorFlow GPU. Install, that's all we need. Windows GPU support is what I want. Anaconda, I think Anaconda is what I want. Conda create and TensorFlow Python 3.6. TensorFlow, common installation problems. Alright, so Conda create TensorFlow Python 3.6. Get rid of this. Exit. Conda? I have Conda, okay. Conda create TensorFlow 3.6. Oh, okay. Conda already exists. Activate TensorFlow. Okay, now we're in the TensorFlow. PIP install. Nope, not that. Yep. Activate Anaconda environment, and then Anaconda, Python, and then try that. Okay. Installing collected packages. TensorFlow board. Hopefully this works. Let me hope.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here.
Love that one.
We are number one. We are number one. We are number one. We are number one. We are number one.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Nice. Nice. Put the DLL, lib, and H file in CUDA's respective files and it works. I need to find that. Probably need to search this PC for. Oh. Apparently it's there. Looking file location. Okay, so it's here, but it's not working. A comment. I put the DLL, lib, and H file in CUDA's respective folders and it works. Huh. Do I have video display drive? Oh, program files, no video. CUDA dev. Let's try that. Environments, TensorFlow Lite, site packages, Python, TensorFlow internal. TensorFlow internal. Okay. Environments, TensorFlow. TensorFlow. Spin Anaconda 3. Oh, F users. DLLs. Okay. Environments, TensorFlow, lib site packages, TensorFlow, Python, PyRep. So wait, so Anaconda 3, Envis, Python, TensorFlow, lib, site packages, Python, okay, site packages, TensorFlow, Python's TensorFlow internal PY. Okay. TensorFlow's here. Okay. Still can't find it? I'll code a dev here. DLL, lib, and H file include as respective folders. C Q DNN. Okay. Should set up that, I guess. Because I didn't really download CodeDNN properly. CodeDNN archive. V5, 2016, 2015. Install library for Windows 10. Okay. I don't know. Is it? I don't really use this stuff. Can you help me, Morgos Matsi? I remember you. You're the Googler or ex-Googler. I'm not sure. I think it was ex-Googler. Help me. I have no idea. I just want to start programming AIs, but I just can't get it working. glad you're here. Oh, my love. Can't Google it. Okay. Can you help me get installation of TensorFlow up and running on Windows? And I want to run TensorFlow GPU because I'm crazy like that. So please help. I have no idea how to do this. And I've been banging my head against this installation wall, brick wall, for a long time. So please help. Please. Like, I'm at the end of my rope here. I think I have a problem with cuDNN. Okay. All right. So in that case, why don't we do that? You know, like I just want TensorFlow up and running. Can we just please like in the video? I don't know what your shit is like with your website, but your website is incredibly slow to log in. Like, please fix your website, please. It takes like a year for me to log in to your website. Does that work? I think I have multiple versions of Python installed. I was like, it really depends on what environment you're asking me. So I tried Docker. Apparently I've got it running on Docker, but it's a CPU based Docker, and Docker does not run NVIDIA Docker for Windows just yet. And I think I don't want to install Linux just to get this running. And I can't stream if I have an installation of Linux running. So I don't want to install Linux, is the bottom line. So I have Docker running, and apparently have TensorFlow running within a Docker container, but I want to access the power of my GPU. So what the hell is this? No. Like, did I just encounter a bug with NVIDIA's login system? I can't even. I forgot. All right. All right. I'm gonna like try to reset my stuff on NVIDIA so I can get like. Do I? Where's my NVIDIA's reset password? Maybe I don't have one. Okay, I guess I'll join, I guess. You must opt in. Fuck you. Why do you have that as an option? It's false advertising, I tell you. Yeah, it's hard to get GPU working on the Docker. Yeah. Starting with TensorFlow 1.3, we'll try to build all our pre-built binaries with CUDA 6.0. I'm trying to get membership so that I can get CUDA 6.0, but it's not letting me because NVIDIA sucks as a website. Why is this not happening? Oh, okay. So when I run Python on a command prompt, apparently 1.3.6. So, oh, 3.5. That's weird. So I got like got that going. So this is in my I got 3.5 and 3.6. I created, I don't know what Anaconda does. I don't know what it does. Apparently it creates an environment or something. I don't know. Anaconda, like you can choose which Python you're using. So in that particular Anaconda thing, that's 3.5. Does that make it easier or worse? I don't know. I mean, I want to wipe the slate clean and... Can I please send me a password reset, please? There we go. You ran Control and tried them, they charged the GPU version of the packages. Oh. So you switched to playing Python. Fair enough. I'm gonna close this window. Alright. Log in. Can we log in, please? Why does it take a billion years to like do this? Verify email, sure. What is it? Resend. In the video, I don't know what your deal is with your internet, but your like website is incredibly slow.
There's no one I'd rather have in a foxhole than you.
Hey Danny McCree, thanks for following. I hope you liked that soundbite, and I would rather have no one else in a foxhole than you. It's very true. I hope you liked that soundbite. I actually mixed it together myself. Email is okay. All right. Can I log in yet? Can I log? Just please let me log in. Like I don't. I have a very frustrating experience with this NVIDIA developer website. Like I don't understand. You can't press enter on the password box, and what the hell? Video. Machine learning. And deep learning network. I don't know what the fuck this is. You forced me to. I don't even know what any of these are. Like, what do you. What? Just go away. Yes. Alright, so what? We're gonna build it with 6, you say? So we're gonna get it for 6. Alright, so I'm just gonna catch up on channel. 3.5 is better. Not all party Anaconda, I'm not sure. Ran Anaconda, switch to play Python. Okay, psych it, so go back to Anaconda. I need to get my vote. Because we automation code. Oh, okay, that's cool. Video web developer side is undergoing maintenance. Ugh. Yeah, bleh. It's just gross. Alright. So we got CUDA now. We got CUDA 8 or V6. And we're gonna put it on a thing. The video. Extract here. Cool. Alright, we got all that stuff. So we got it. Alright, what's next? What's next? So Dandy McGee, if you're still here, I encourage you to try out the new sound effects I put in. I'm not sure if you're all up to date with the memes, but this is my favorite one.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here.
Yeah, that's my favorite one. I think it needs to be in path or something. Maybe. Let's just check our paths, shall we? So, so do I. So I put in. So this is all the sound effects that I've managed to put in. So everyone can do it. Why don't you give it a try? I got, you know, the Rick and Morty ones. I think you know this one.
My man!
Or this one.
Yes!
Or this one.
I'm Pickle Rick!
You know, the staples. And of course my favorite.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here.
Yeah, so it instantly makes me feel better, that one. So yeah, the sound effects are anyone can use them right now, so if you want to express yourself using sound effects, go right ahead. So anyway, where were we? Follow the steps, needs to be in path or something. We do have our paths set up. I did add them to path. So we got CUDA dev in here. I'm not sure about stuff actually. Let's go to environment variables. Yep. Okay, so we'll go environment variables. So we've got CUDA path, CUDA v.8. So it's all CUDA dev. I don't know where I should put the video CUDA sample. Oh, well, the CUDA samples are here. NVIDIA toolset, extension, edit. So we got this stuff. We got CUDA dev. I don't know where we should put the CDN. Maybe we should just add that in anyway. CUDA. New. Okay. So hopefully that's in. I guess I will restart my computer to get that going. So stick around. I'll just reset my computer quickly. Holy crap. This is my PC right now. What is this? After Effects, Adobe. So Adobe took that entire block, okay. And that's Overwatch. The hell is this Windows? View. What's this? View. Oh, Vocaloid, of course. Yeah. Just a lot of cleanup I can do on my PC. Anyway, I'm gonna restart my computer. Be right back. Hopefully get the pods going. So give me a sec. Hey everybody, so I'm back. Are you still alive? Morgos, are you still here? Are you still here? What the hell? Why is my thing going crazy? Hmm. Is everyone here? Is everyone still alive? Um. Where is everybody? Where are you, dude? Where are you? Come on, man, dude, leave me hanging. Oh, okay. I wasn't insecure or anything. Of course, knew you were there. Okay. Alright, cool. So let's try to get this started. So I think the path was there. CDF. Okay, so hopefully, I don't know, how did you do this? Did you just go Python? I've got 3.61 happening here, so maybe that'll work. Import TensorFlow STF. Yeah, so I don't know how you did it straight from command line, but this is what I get, and apparently some DLLs are missing, so I don't know what the hell that is all about. So CD, if we go to CD, user profile. Alright. Huh. What? Okay, so it doesn't change drives. PRP install TensorFlow GPU. We'll try that. So do I have PIP first of all? I do. Install TensorFlow GPU. Is it underscore GPU or dash GPU? Alright, so native pip. So it's this one. Requirement already installed. Do you have an environment set up for TensorFlow? Not really. I don't know how to set up environments. You can't use PIP with Anaconda's not activated right now, so it's just straight command line. So this is just command line. I don't think it did anything. So like it says requirement already satisfied. So I've done this before. Let's see, I've already ran the PIP install. So the question is, what do I do now? So, you know, it's got 3.61 in here, but I'm not sure if that's gonna affect anything. Oh, right, yeah, I should move my picture. Let's move it up here. Alright, there you go, sorry. So yeah, well, we got 3.61 happening here. I think a large majority of this says it's installed. F users spin it Anaconda 3. Maybe I have to like, it says it's installed in the Anaconda 3, so I don't know, do I have to like activate Anaconda? So this is the activate TensorFlow command line is like the activate TensorFlow is activating the Anaconda environment, and if you activate Python in here, we got 3.5 because I don't know why, and then import TensorFlow as TF. Yeah, it does something like this, which is still like, it's saying files are missing. Don't know why. I don't know. And that's what I'm stuck here. This is where I'm stuck. So that's where I'm stuck, and that's why I had to like run away into Docker, because Docker has all of this set up. Like, it doesn't help. I don't know how to switch between GPU and non-GPU. I have installed both, however, so you know, if we go pip list, is a list? Yeah, alright, so as you can see, TensorFlow GPU is installed here. Got TensorBoard. Nothing else really. We got do we have Python? PyTest. We could try installing like TensorFlow, like just pip install /upgrade TensorFlow. You can only have one per environment. Oh, okay. Do you think Anaconda would work better? I don't know what Anaconda is. I mean, well, we don't have Anaconda installed right now. Well, I mean, activated right now. So this is straight into the command line. Oh, okay. Conda's a distribution of Python, sure. Alright, well, we don't have Conda installed right now. We're just doing the pip install. I don't know what pip is either. I'm guessing it's something like npm. Am I using a Conda distribution now? Am I really? Pip and Conda are package managers, yeah. I assumed that they are. Like npm, I use Node. So, I use Node for work. Am I using the Anaconda package right now? I thought I had to like activate Conda or Conda create or Conda whatever. Yeah, I thought I had to do that first. This is straight command line, isn't it? And I'm using pip, so pip install upgrade TensorFlow. That's what this is, right? Oh yeah, the activate command. Yeah, but that's currently it's not running because if I was running Conda, it would look like okay, it's installing stuff. What the hell happened here? Trace back, recent call. Anaconda has metadata. System cannot find the file specified. Conda 3 packages py. Okay. So here's the thing, right? Like this is straight command line. But if I did, maybe I should make this bigger. Edit, properties, font. Okay, so this is bigger, right? Okay. So here's the command line. If I activate Conda, so it's just Conda, right? Yeah. So Conda is a tool, blah 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 blah. I thought with Conda, like I'm not sure what it is that you do, but when you Conda create new Conda environment, right, from specified packages, and then you can install and do stuff. So if you wanted to like install with Anaconda, you go Conda install install, right, and then you do your packages. But I was just using pip, so I was using pip. If I wasn't installing with Conda, I would start with Conda, right? But I just did a pip install. So, alright, Z, let's get out of there. So if we did pip list now, we have, I think we should have TensorFlow and TensorFlow GPU. See, we got both. So we could just go pip uninstall TensorFlow dash GPU. If I could spell uninstall correctly. maybe. Just a solid maybe. I don't know how all this works. Alright, so we uninstalled the TensorFlow GPU. So we just ran Python now. Right? TensorFlow. Import. Wait. Import TensorFlow as TF. No module named TensorFlow, which is weird. PIP list. So we got TensorFlow there. We have TensorFlow, but why do we not have PIP TensorFlow? I have no idea. Python. Okay, so PYT. Okay, so now we're in Python. Import TensorFlow as TF. No module named TensorFlow. That's weird. Okay. Alright. Yeah, we screwed. Okay, so PIP on install TensorFlow. Oh, wow. Yes. Okay. Alright. So we'll try the non-GPU version. PIP install double dash upgrade. I don't know what the upgrade flag does, but yeah. So we're here, we successfully installed TensorFlow. Alright. So we did Python import TensorFlow as TF. Does it work? Please work. For the love of God, please work. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. Please work. Never did this before, so we're getting somewhere. And then again, it could be just you know, screwing with us. Sound effects on now. Okay, so it didn't crash. So I think we might have installed it. Sound effects are not available to use in chat. Alright. Okay, so it didn't crash, so I think we may have done it. But it's a shame that it's only done with CPU TensorFlow. I wanted a GPU. Alright, so hello. We'll try writing a first Python program. Hello is equal to tf dot constant hello ses is equal to tf session capital S. The TensorFlow error wasn't called. Alright, whatever. Print ses dot run hello. Hey, TensorFlow works. I'm Pickle Rick. God, I love myself. We did it.
I'm Pickle Rick!
The TensorFlow library wasn't compiled to use AVX instructions, but these are available on your machine to speed up CPU computations. So, at this point, I want to try running. So we have a working version of TensorFlow. So we did pip uninstall. TensorFlow. I want to try installing the TensorFlow yes. So we're gonna break this again and successfully installed. Nice. So pip install upgrade TensorFlow GPU. Right, almost there. Installing collected packages, TensorFlow GPU. Alright, successfully installed. Okay. Port I was thinking about it. Yeah, see, it's this. So it's just mainly the TensorFlow GPU that's not running properly. I want it to run with a GPU. CUDA's documentation. I need to do the installation guide. Okay, see CUDA GPUs, blah blah blah. One of the Alright, CUDA's. just update the drivers first, but we need to install CUDA properly. Not on Linux, please. On Windows, graphics drivers. Java. Java's still alive? I don't know what I have. Just update the drivers. GeForce GTX 980. 900 series. 980. We'll wait for that download. Installing CUDA. CUDA guide for Windows. Let's go. If everybody have a CUDA development tools, CUDA GPUs. Do I have a CUDA GPU? CUDA enabled GeForce products. 980. Yeah, I have one. Alright. The NVIDIA Kill Toolkit is available here. Okay. Install the CUDA software. I'm not sure about network. Minimize download time. Network installer. But this is for CUDA 8. I don't know. It seems CUDA, yeah. It might be just CUDA installations, yes. Okay. CUDA version 8. we got TensorFlow 1 working, it's just GPU doesn't want to play ball. Green continue, customize, Buddha, yes. Maybe I should just install it to see. Alright, so once we install that stuff, running the compiled examples, start programs, command prompt. What does this look like? The output should look like figure 1. The version of code can be checked by that. Start. Command prompt. It's hierarchy when you run the device query program. Samples. Okay, so I wonder if we could do that right now. Program files. See video. See CUDA div. Samples. CD. Simple. Samples V8. CUDA samples. Okay. CUDA samples V8. I don't think we have V8. Better look in this library ourselves, actually. Program files 86. Video, CUDA, samples. Alright, so is that a startup project? It's compiling. GPU timing and overlapping stuff. Not sure how to run these. How do we run these? Maybe not utilities. Clock. Set clock as startup project. Compiling CUDA source clock CU. I'm guessing it would run a clock maybe. Clock function to measure performance. I see. Oh. This is still installing. Oh, come on. Installer failed. Why? Why do you do this to me? Why? Just why? It just fails to install. NVCC command prompt. Okay. Oh, okay. Doesn't like this. Nope. That's gonna take a while. Okay, so NVCC doesn't work. That's why we're installing CUDA. It's the lag. Takes such a long time. I want it to run on my graphics card. Why can't I run on my graphics card? Bored. Download in progress. I think this is gonna install CUDA 8, so that'll be interesting. Waiting for stuff to install is really bad. Pretty boring. So what are you up to, Morgus? What are you looking at? Morgus, are you there? Still downloading. Boring. Come on, Kuda, you can do it. Right. So much install, so boring. Are you done yet? Nope. Still installing CUDA 8. Oh.